work on a very interesting and creative idea. As you all know, with the help of artificial intelligence, almost everyone is now earning money in one way or another. This is fantastic, but it also means there's a lot of competition. Standing out and capturing attention is more challenging than ever. So, what can we do? This is where thinking differently and trying something that no one has done before comes into play. I've noticed a popular content types on TikTok recently. The first is storytelling with artificial intelligence. This type of content entertains and captivates viewers while showcasing the power of AI. The second is quiet, soothing nature videos. People watch these videos to relax, unwind, and enjoy the beauty of nature. How about combining these? To popular ideas, imagine a video where nature scenes are paired with storytelling. This way, viewers can both enjoy beautiful visuals and listen to interesting stories. Isn't it great? Let's do it together. Before we get started, we need to plan out the steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. Here's what we need to do. 1. Write the story. 2. Create the photos. 3. Record the story. 4. Combine photos and audio. 5. Add text to the video. Let's go through these steps one by one. 1. Writing the story. First, we need to come up with a great story. We'll use ChatGPT for this. By leveraging AI, we can generate different story ideas. The goal is to find a story that is truly engaging and captivating. Initially, ask ChatGPT to create several story options. Choose the one you like the most. If there are any gaps or areas that need improvement, you can ask ChatGPT to help. Refine those parts. We'll repeat this process until we have the perfect story. 2. Creating the photos. Once we have our story, it's time to create beautiful visuals to complement it. We'll use the Ideogram website for this. This site allows you to generate images based on the descriptions you provide. However, it's important to know exactly what you need. Here's a tip. You can consult ChatGPT to determine what to input for generating the images. For example, if your story features a forest scene, you might input mystical forest landscape in Ideogram. After generating the images, adjust the settings as needed and click Create. Once the photos are ready, download them by clicking the 3 dots and selecting Download, or by holding down on the image and choosing Download in Chrome. 3. Recording the story. Now it's time to record our story. We'll use Eleven Labs for this. Here's a useful tip. To use Eleven Labs for free and without limitations, you can use TempMail to get temporary email addresses. This allows you to create multiple accounts and access the service as much as you want. Go to Eleven Labs and sign up using the temporary email from TempMail. After verification, you'll be able to use Eleven Labs without restrictions. Paste the story you got from ChatGPT into Eleven Labs, choose your desired voice, and generate the audio. Once done, download the audio file.
Every night, a gentle silver fish named Lila swam in.
4. Combining photos and audio. With both the story and visuals ready, it's time to combine them. You can use any video editing application, but I recommend CapCut. Open CapCut, click on the plus sign, and add your photos from the gallery. Then click on Sound and select from device to add the audio file from Eleven Labs.
In a quiet forest, there was a tiny enchanted pond.
To make the video more dynamic, you can use the 3D zoom effect or add keyframes to zoom in on the photos. Adding transition effects can also enhance the video's professional look. 5. Adding text to the video. Finally, we'll add text to the video. In CapCut, go to the text section and use the auto captions feature to automatically generate subtitles. Choose a text style that matches your video and you're done. We've completed all the steps and the video is ready. To save it, click on save and your video will be downloaded to your gallery. If you've watched until now, you definitely have the determination to create videos. Congratulations! If you like this video and want to see more content, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.